Hey guys, in this video I'll share how to prepare fried pepper stew. The Yorubas call it Obe Ata Din Din. Pepper stew is just like tomato stew, but pepper stew is prepared with only peppers. Otio! But do not fear, I am an Igbo girl and I can't stand very hot peppers. So I'll show you how to prepare this stew and enjoy it without setting your mouth on fire. Here are the ingredients you will need. And here's the full list. If you know how to prepare beef and chicken tomato stew, you will find this stew very easy to prepare. Soak the dry fish in cool or lukewarm water and set aside. Clean and cut the shaki. Cut one onion like this and the other like this. Grind the crayfish and ogiri obe. When the fish is soft, clean, debone and break into pieces. Wash and remove the seeds from the tatashi. The sight of seeds in my stews puts me off so much that I lose my appetite instantly. Tomato seeds, pepper seeds, no. Tatashi is very spicy, so removing the seeds ensures that you don't call 911 when eating the food. The seeds can also make your stew bitter. I also remove the seeds from the Scotch bonnet peppers because let's face it, unless you're from Yoruba land, the spiciness in the flesh of these peppers is enough to make your stews spicy hot. I cut them into pieces for a very smooth blend. By cutting them up, I am helping my blender. Then blend till smooth. Cook it till all the water dries up, just like we boil the tomatoes for tomato stew. While that is cooking, cook the shaki with the diced onions. I use the pressure cooker because mine cooks shaki in 7 minutes maximum. When it's done, add the dry fish and cook on high heat till all the water dries up. This way, your stew will not be watery. By now, all the water or almost all the water in the pepper should have dried up. Traditionally, this stew is prepared with bleached palm oil, but I have a trick I use to get the traditional taste without bleaching palm oil. Set the vegetable oil to heat up. Once hot, add some palm oil and bam! It smells like bleached palm oil. Add the sliced onions. Fry for about half a minute and add the boiled peppers. Stir very well, reduce the heat to very low, then cover and start cook frying. Using low heat prevents burning. Stir it from time to time for about 10 minutes. This is enough time for the remaining water in there to dry up. Add the rest of the ingredients: salt and curry powder, crayfish and ogiri obe, dry fish and shaki. You can see that I did not add stock cubes to this stew. I wanted to keep it very traditional by using only ogiri obe, but you can add stock cubes if you wish. Stir very well, cover and leave to simmer, and it's done. Serve with boiled white rice or any Nigerian boiled staple. Enjoy!